I see this morning lots of students in my student groups ask how to get their matric results via SMS. I don't know why everybody's so interested in getting it via SMS. So I thought I'll just give the two processes that I found online. The one process I found at the SABC's website, and the other process I found on the Western Cape Department of Education website. It's not exactly the same process, and you don't get the SMS by messaging the same number. So I thought, well, I'll just give both processes. Cool. So how to get your matric results via SMS according to the SABC's website. You open up the SMS app on your phone. You start a new SMS. Fill in your exam number, where you would usually write the message, and you send the SMS to 45856. Note, the SMS isn't free, so if you have free SMSs, this one is gonna not fall under. You must have paid SMSs. It's gonna cost R3. And there's a system that automatically checks your exam number, so if you fill in the wrong number, nothing will happen. And then you'll get the SMS back on the 23rd of February, next week, Tuesday, when the results comes out. Okay, so the second process I found on the Western Cape Department of Education's website. Slightly different, so I thought let me just share that one as well. Once again, you open up your SMS app, you fill in your ID number and your exam number, and there must be a space between the two. Both numbers must have 13 digits, so count the digits to check that you absolutely get both numbers right. If you fill in the wrong numbers, you just won't get any response. The SMS then gets sent to this number, 35658. Once again, my understanding is the SMS will cost R3, it's not free. The system checks your ID number, your exam number, see if they match. If any of the numbers is incorrect, obviously it won't work. And once again, you'll get your results when the results are made available on the 23rd of February. So there you are, how to get your results via SMS. Best of luck for your results next week, Tuesday. Thank you.